Hi, Arjan! Oh my God, my Arjanica. You're 18 now? Parang, parang halata naman. Charot lang. Ayun, I just want to say na happiest birthday to you. I know na we're not together right now, but I am sending you lots of love and light. Sending you hugs every time na parang you feel down. Please know that I will always be here for you. You can talk to me, we can play Roblox. Sobrang brain rot mo naman. Basta ayun te. Ano pa ba? Ayun. I just hope that you will achieve everything that you dreamed. Ano daw? Basta, tangina i-English pa kasi. Basta, I want you to achieve everything that you are pursuing to achieve. Tama ba? Basta ganun. Alam mo na yun. Basta, I miss you so much, Arjan. Cannot wait to see you successful in life. Para mapauwi mo na yung OFW mong pamilya. Ako. Eme! Ayun lang, Arjan. I love you so much. Happiest birthday to you. Bitch, negra ka talaga. Love na love kita. Alam mo yan.